Today we're taking a look at the new Aventon Pace 500, a new electric bike from Aventon that's got a simple design, sleek look, and available in either step-through or step-over frame, making it perfect for riders of all heights. With a price of $1,700, it's packed with features like a pedal assist, throttle, a color LCD screen, and integrated headlight and taillights built into the frame. Aventon also sells the Pace 350, which has the same frame and build but with a smaller battery and less powerful motor, starting at $1,400. Aventon sent us one of their Pace 500 e-bikes so we could put it to the test and see how it stacks up. It ships in a large box, and inside you'll find the bike neatly packaged, along with the owner's manual, bike grease, spare parts, a hex tool, the pedals, and a wrench. There's a little bit of assembly required, like installing the handlebars and front wheel, but Aventon made a great assembly video that's easy to follow. Looking at the design and style of the Pace, the new Pace features an upright frame with a low seat post, so it can get quite low for even the shortest riders. And we got ours in white with the medium to large frame. The female rider you see here is 5'2" and with the seat almost all the way down, riding the larger medium to large frame. The handlebars are a cruiser style, which means they're closer to your body, helping you sit more upright. And the front stem is adjustable, so you can easily fine-tune the angle to raise or lower for the perfect angle. Looking at the specs, the Pace 500 is powered by a 500-watt motor in the rear wheel. That gives it plenty of power so you can conquer even the steepest hills and get going quickly with a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. The bike has 5 different pedal assist modes you can toggle using the button on the left-hand side control. And you even have a thumb throttle, so you can accelerate without having to pedal at all. The Pace also has an 8-speed derailleur, so you can also change the manual gears of the bike using the shifter on the right side of the handlebar. The controls are very intuitive, and the color display is one of the best we've seen on an e-bike. It's bright and easy to read, showing you battery with percentage, top speed, the pedal assist mode you're in, along with trip distance and odometer readings. When toggling through the stats, you can even see how much CO2 you've reduced and how many trees you're saving by riding electric. There's even an advanced menu you can easily get to by holding the I button, where you can clear the trip data, change the display brightness, and even change the top speed of the bike. The default top speed is 20 miles per hour, but you can increase it up to 28 miles per hour, making it a Class 3 e-bike. For braking, the Pace features front and rear hydraulic disc brakes that will bring you to a quick stop. The battery is a 48-volt, 15-amp-hour battery that fits neatly into the frame of the bike. It can easily be removed using the key lock, so you can bring it inside to charge separately. For range, Aventon advertises a range between 25 to 48 miles. The range will vary on rider weight and also how you ride the bike. On their website, they include a real-world testing range guide that estimates how much you can expect depending on speed and how much throttle or pedal assist you use. Another added feature is the ability to connect the bike using your phone. The Aventon app allows you to see more details on the bike status like battery life, change different settings, track your rides, and even has a social media section to connect with the Aventon community and share photos. Looking at the lights, the Pace 500 has front and rear LED lights that you can turn on using a dedicated button on the controls or through the app. The front headlight is at the top of the handlebar, while the rear lights are integrated into both sides of the frame. They're surprisingly bright and also function as a brake light. One aspect of the Pace to keep in mind is that it doesn't have any suspension, so you'll want to stick to mainly paved roads, since it might get a little bumpy if you take it off-road. And it also doesn't come included with any fenders, but you can add them as an optional accessory. Other accessories you can add is a rear rack, so you can carry extra cargo. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to watch our other reviews of more Aventon e-bike models and some of our other electric bike comparison videos next.